All right, guys, part two. And yeah, they're starting to move us in. It's like 5:20. It's supposed to be at 6. And they had the track was rented till 6, but it started raining. And then they were supposed to have this test and tune with a not wheelie contest, but a wheelie show or something like that, I guess, for the locals. But I don't know how they were going to get us all in here at the same time when they were going to run the test and tune. Whatever. It's canceled, and they're pulling us in. I'm number 28. It's probably going to be at least another hour because there's one person at the gate and it's raining, and I don't know. I just don't think it's going to go super fast. But so it's Wednesday, 5:20 in the afternoon. Light rain right now. I think we're going to get some heavy showers coming through, but it's not going to last. And I'll put the camera on when we're getting close to parking, but I just wanted to turn it on now. And yeah, we're ready to go. Part two. All right, guys, we're starting to move. That wasn't too bad. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. That was about half hour. Came down heavy for a little bit, and then it just stopped, and it's just light rain. I don't know if they're collecting money right at the gate, or they're just letting us in, and maybe collect the money later. I don't know. Or some of those guys may have paid online. But we're in. We're moving. We're not in yet. The ground's pretty solid, so I don't see anybody getting stuck. We're supposed to get rain for the next, I think I already said that, for at least another hour or two. But light. I think the heavy rain is done. It only lasted for like 30 seconds. Monty Joe to the left of me. He's running comp and super stock, and as you guys know, he just won down at Bradenton. Crazy coming out of here. It is muddy. How you doing?
How many?
1. Oops.
What's the car number?
1656. Thank you. Man, that is muddy over there. But it's quick at least. We're in, we're out. Okay, guys, we're close. Doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty solid. Looks pretty good. Nice. All right, guys, I think that's it. Ken Hanley helped me out, and we're parked. Okay, guys, we are parked. Not too bad. And we'll have to finish up part 2 tomorrow. We'll drive through the pits, see if I can get maybe an in-car video, who knows. But I'll get some pictures, and we'll drive through the pits and show you Orlando. All right, guys, so yeah, so we'll have some stuff tomorrow. This video will be all in one, but there's no point in just putting this video up, so I'll just finish riding through the pits in part 2, and yeah, so we'll be back. All right, guys, we're parked. Well, we parked yesterday, and I want to do finish up riding through the pits so you guys can check out what Orlando Speedworld looks like. Try to ride through slow so you guys can see the different race cars are out, but it's not supposed to rain. There's no radar showing any rain, but we have a slight mist in the air. We were supposed to start at 12, but I don't know if that's going to happen. First testing tune. It's cool, about 63 degrees. It's not the most pleasant, but I guess it's better than being back home in the Northeast where it's guys, it's I just want to show you what the scales look like. So let's see, where are the scales? There's no scales here. Nice. Oh, there we go. We're on the scales, folks. 400 pounds with the bike. Oh, I'd like to weigh my motorcycle. I'll come up here and weigh my motorcycle. Anyway, so yeah, we're back here. So yeah, this is Orlando Speedworld Dragway, and it's misting, and yeah, it's not the best right now. It's not super cold, but it's really not pleasant out right now. And like I said, we're supposed to start about 12. I don't know if that's going to happen. I think we'll get some testing in, but it'll probably be a while. We got the Volkmans here. So this is basically the blacktop parking. This is new pavement on my right, but it's kind of hectic. I'm parked where you just seen where I left, and more on the grass. It's a little get hectic around here because this is the only, entrance to the staging lane. So when you park here, you got to deal with all the cars coming by. So I guess it's good and bad. And now, I guess, I don't know if you guys realize, this year VP is now the official sponsor for fuel. So, I run Sunoco, so go figure. So now I got to figure out where I'm going to get my Sunoco. Yeah. Victor with his Copos. Matt Rover. Got a new motorhome. Nice looking Rover. Yeah, nice, Matt. Rover's got a new motorhome. Marshall got his Camaro out. Nice. I'm gonna go by later, take some pictures. Just want to show you what the starting line looks like. It's a kind of a small track, but it's nice. I like racing here. Kind of reminds me of Del Mar, US 13. Staging lanes. What's going on, bud? Hey. Okay, guys, let's I had to stop and talk to Mike Howard. Got a Copo. We ran back in the day, but he runs Superstock now. So this is the starting line, guys. It's a nice track. Like I said, it reminds me of Delaware. I don't know why, it just does. But traction's always good here. Usually, I never have a problem. So it's going to be so quick here tomorrow. I'm not running in the morning. I'm going to wait till the afternoon. Because I just don't want to run when it's cold. I don't need any horsepower. Even when I tone it down, it can be quick, and I just don't want to trigger too early in the year. I want to wait till get some runs down. Anyway, it's going to be cold. Probably about 45 when we make our first pass tomorrow. So, yeah. So that's Speedworld, guys. Orlando Speedworld. It's a historic track, guys. It's been around here forever, as long as I've been racing. So we'll go back through the pits. I'll try to ride a little slower so you can check more stuff out. I just want to stop here and talk to Dave Lay if he's here. I'm not sure, but I want to see if he's here. All right, guys, we're back. I just had to talk to Dave Lay, our tech official in D2. Like I said, not many cars out, but I'm going to come and run by and take some pictures and get some cars, get some cars on the website. Oh, he's got that rig nice and clean. It's a new Volvo. They're nice. All right, let's go down this road, guys. This car looks very familiar. Mike Pearson. It's nice when they put the name on the car because then I can remember their names because I forget their names half the time. What do we got here? Malibu? All right, so this is just another place where they just paved. Used to be old dirt over here. All right, guys, so we're going to head back. That's the scoreboards. So we're at the end of the track here. And yeah, just a short little ride. Wow, man, I just wish it was 80 degrees and sunny. And we'll be back, guys. We'll be back with some photos and stuff like that. You know, the normal routine.